model, 66 plate Ford Transit 350 Mark 8 2.2 TDCI ULEZ compliance starts runs easy repairs No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 224184. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Brakes don't work. Also, the clutch pedal is on the floor. Worst case concentric slave cylinder on the clutch needs replacing. Either way the engine starts and runs exactly as it should. This should be a simple straightforward repair for someone. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left.